On today's video, we're going to talk about two cryptocurrencies that could potentially 10x in this crypto super cycle. We are officially in October. You're already seeing it on the price charts and all the price action. It is happening right now. Q4 is historically very bullish for stocks, for equities, for crypto in general. And if this all plays right, this super cycle could print massive gains. Let's get started. I got Zebec Network pulled up on CoinMarketCap. This is the all-time chart, and I must say, it looks pretty solid. It has handled its downtrend or its bear market into this bull market very well. Zebec is up 70% all time, a market cap of 392 million at the time of this video. And if we're talking about a 10x, we're talking about a $4 billion Zebec. And if money flows into crypto, money should flow into Zebec as well. It has a 24-hour volume of 14 million, 100 billion Zebec supply, and it's at 99.98 Zebec in circulation right now. So it's pretty much all out. Supply crunch is looking good. And if we go to the last year chart, 1 year chart, it's up 318%. This means at this time last year, which is October 3rd at the time of this video, Zebec is up almost 120%. That's impressive, right? So if we can get that 10x, that super cycle, which I'm going to break down towards the end of this video, what exactly is a super cycle, Zebec should be mooning. Check this out. So Zebec Network, decentralized infrastructure network for seamless flows of real world value. They have a bunch of different products. Zebec cards, they work with DPen and Zebec vaults. So spend your crypto anywhere, anytime. Zebec cards, freedom, privacy, simplicity. And they got a deal with MasterCard. So you can spend USD, Euro, GBP, GDP. Pretty dope. And then the other product that they have here is DPen at Work, Zebec Ecosystem Physical Infrastructure Network, redefining retail transactions, blockchain era. So a lot of blockchain networks like Helium, the phone service ones, the data transfers that you can put a data device on top of your home, they are DPen. A lot of DPen products out there, POS systems, all that type of stuff. Decentralized physical network, Zebec Network is rocking with that. Then you have Zebec Vaults, treasury management with safes. Zebec provides individuals, investors, and Web3 businesses with comprehensive and secure financial infrastructure, all accessible through the Zebec app. Okay, that's something about Zebec. Now let's talk about the next crypto. This is Kaspa. We have Kaspa's all-time chart pulled out, and it looks even better, right? Amazing. Up 4,000%, all-time chart, sitting at 0.8 cents, market cap of 2.16 billion, 53 million in 24-hour volume, max supply of 28.7 billion, and then we're circulating supply of 26.76 billion. Basically, a supply crunch, nice volume, a beautiful chart. In the last year, we got a pullback. Kaspa is down 44%. Potentially a buying opportunity. A 10x on Kaspa gives you about a $20 billion market cap. And again, this is dependent on the super cycle, which I'm going to break down in a moment. Kaspa, beyond the block. Kaspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully stackable layer 1 in the world. That's their claim right here. And they say we'll give them all a run for their money. Essentially, Kaspa is a layer 1, and layer 1 means businesses, startups, individuals, decentralized infrastructure with smart contracts for people to build on. People are building on Kaspa. Kaspa has the speed, it has the low cost, it has the security, it has the scalability. That's what's most important. Now, let's talk about the super cycle. I have this total crypto market cap chart pulled up, right? So this is what's happened. This is what's happening. We'll talk about it. So cycle number one, essentially the big cycle, was 2017. I'm going to zoom in. 2017. This is when crypto went crazy. This was like the first, altcoin season, was 2017. So a lot of people got in around there, right? And then this is what happens. It goes, cryptos do 10x, 100x, all kind of crazy stuff happens. Bitcoin, Ethereum went crazy. Crash, right? Crashes, pullback, try to rally, then it goes into bear market for a few years. Then we enter the next cycle. In the top of that next cycle, 2021, that's these tops here. 2021, that's when a lot of people got into crypto, including myself. You get the curiosity happens here. You get the curiosity in 2017, early 16. That's curiosity, boom, bust, downtrend, accumulation zone, right? Let me draw right here. It's accumulation zone right there. Then you get the interest. That's interest tops right here. This is the super cycle. Dogecoin went X's, Chainlink went X's, Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything went crazy. Then you get the downtrend. That's 2022 and moving in. Then you go into accumulation zone, and then the interest starts to happen here, right? All right, so if we go back out a little bit, again, the super cycle is 17, pullback, accumulation, interest, super cycle here, pullback, accumulation, interest, and then boom, here we are. We're now at Bitcoin sitting at $123,000. What I have next is super cycle happening here. That's what I've been talking to y'all about, is about $5 trillion in the market. Bitcoin potentially at 200,000, Ethereum potentially at 8,000, right? Altcoins going crazy. Then you get the bust. 26 should be brutal, y'all. It should be brutal. 27 should be flat, right? And then we start to rise back up. Really in about 2030, we should be at a new level somewhere around here, potentially 6 or 7 trillion. And let me draw that for y'all. Somewhere around there. So that's what I got for y'all. That's the weekly chart. Again, 17 super cycle, 2021 super cycle, 2025 super cycle, then another one in about 29 or 30. And if that happens, the Zebec Network could do a 10x. If that happens, Kaspa can do a 10x, a whole bunch of cryptos. Prepare yourselves. Until the next time, y'all. Peace.
Passive income, gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.